green. The girl is young, but the woman is old. The ocean is big, but the puddle is small. The coin is shiny, but the pipes are dull. The kitten is small, but the dog is big. The car is red, but the duck is yellow. The dog is black, but the car is white. The dog is small, but the truck is big. The flower is yellow, but the cloth is red. The shirt is blue, but the dress is white. The flower is red, but the car is yellow.
We did a bunch of words, describing words. Do we remember any of these describing words from last week? Describing words. What can you tell me about this towel?
Soft.
Soft. Okay. What else? What else is this towel?
Green.
It's green. Okay. Anything else?
Large.
It's
Large.
large? I don't know if it's large. It's not very large. I didn't bring my really big towel. But
Tall.
this would be tall or big. That's right. So what's the opposite? What's the opposite of big? Small. I think this is pretty small. You can't really dry your whole body with this. It's very small. Okay. So if we are comparing two things now. Whoops. Let's compare two things. We have this, and we have, let's say, this. Okay. What can you tell me about these two things?
Soft and hard.
Soft and hard. Okay. So what is soft?
Tall.
The towel. Good. So the towel is
Soft.
soft. Okay. And or but?
But.
But. Why do we use but?
Because it's not the same.
Because it's not the same. That's right. So what is this called? Do you remember?
Birdhouse.
Birdhouse. Great. Birdhouse is
Hard.
hard. Good. And we use but because they're different. Okay. Now let's compare two different things. We've got one towel and another towel. What can you tell me about these two things? They're small. Okay. What else? Let's compare these two. Nay, what can you tell me about these two towels? Okay, big and small. So the towel is not soft now. It's small. Okay. And this towel is big. So we have small and big. So what word do we use? And or but? And but. Why do we use but? It's not the same. Okay. So what is the same? Color. Okay. What color is this? Green. Okay. So the towel is green And the other towel is green. So what word do we use? And or but? And. Perfect. Okay. Well, then today...
Well, let's practice this a little more in a different way. This time, we will mix up the pictures. Some of them will be the same. Some of them will be different. So you must use the word and sometimes, then you must use the word but some other times. Sometimes the words will appear on the screen to tell you what aspect is being compared, and sometimes they won't appear on the screen. So if the two things are the same, you must make two statements joined by the word and. If the two things are different, you must make two statements joined by the word but. All right? I will do the first two with you. After that, you do it without me. I will wait and then give the correct answer, like we did before. All right? Are you ready? Let's begin. The flower is yellow and the duck is yellow. The snow is white, but the flower is pink. Now you do it. The cloth is red and the car is red. The flower is red, but the car is yellow. The grass is green and the car is green. The hat is yellow, but the car is green. The shirt is blue, but the dress is white. The car is red and the hair is red. The girl is young, but the woman is old. The dog is young and the girl is young. The clock is big and the car is big. The dog is black, but the car is white. The dog is small, but the truck is big. The flower is yellow, but the cloth is red. The sky is blue and the water is blue. The car is yellow and the hat is yellow. The car is red, but the duck is yellow. The flower is white and the car is white. The ocean is big, but the puddle is small. The coin is shiny, but the pipes are dull. The clock is big, and the cup is big. Well, let's wrap up. What did we learn today? We learned about how to compare things. It's another way of describing them, to say these two things are the same in some way, or they are different in some way. They are not the same. We learned how to take two short, simple sentences and put them together using the word and to say that these things are the same. So you could say something like the car is red and the flower is red. We also learned that you can connect sentences using the word but to say that these two things are different. We could say the car is red, but the hat is yellow. They are different in some way. Well, it's been a good lesson. Let me see if I can use this in closing. I can say, this was a good lesson and Paul is a good teacher. Or I can say, this is fun, but I have to go. So I'm still Doug Sadler. This is still English Without Limits, and I still hope you have a good day.